Hey everyone, welcome to Electro TechVerse. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows installation in just 13 easy steps. We'll be using the official Windows Media Creation tool and Rufus, so whether you prefer a direct method or a more customized option, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, open Google Chrome and search for Windows Media Creation tool. Step 2. Click on the first result, making sure it's the official Microsoft website to avoid downloading from unsafe sources. Step 3. Once on the page, find the Download Tool Now button and click on it to start the download. Step 4. After the tool is downloaded, open it. The loading might take a few seconds, so be patient. Step 5. When it opens, accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Step 6. Select the option that says Create Installation Media, USB, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. Then click Next. Step 7. Now, choose your preferred language and the version of Windows 10. Make sure to select both x64 and x86 to support all types of systems. Step 8. At this stage, you have two options. You can either create a bootable USB directly using the tool or download an ISO file and use Rufus. Let's go through both. Option 1. Creating bootable USB directly. Step 9. If you want to create the bootable USB directly, select the USB flash drive option. Plug in your USB drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB, and remember, all data on it will be erased. Step 10. Now, the tool will begin downloading Windows and create your bootable USB. The process might take a while depending on your internet speed. Option 2. Using Rufus. Step 9. If you prefer using Rufus, choose the *ISO file option and select where you want to save the ISO. Once saved, the download will begin. Step 10. While it's downloading, open Chrome again and search for Rufus. Click on the first link to go to the official Rufus website. Step 11. Download the Rufus X64 portable version or any version that suits your system. Before proceeding, check whether the ISO file has finished downloading. If it's still in progress, wait until the download is complete. Once the ISO is fully downloaded, click Finish. After that, open Rufus and get ready for the next step. Step 12. Select your USB drive from the list in Rufus, then browse and select the ISO file you just downloaded. Step 13. Make sure to double-check the UEFI or Legacy boot options based on your system requirements. Once ready, hit Start and let Rufus create your bootable USB. And that's it! In just 13 simple steps, you've created a bootable USB for Windows 10. Whether you use the Windows Media Creation tool or Rufus, you're now ready to install Windows on any PC. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Electro TechVerse. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. See you in the next video.